to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to transfer your videos from MacBook to iPhone using cable. Transferring videos from your MacBook to your iPhone using a cable is much more easier and less hassle. First off, you want to start by connecting your iPhone to your MacBook using a Lightning or USB-C cable. So open the Finder app on your Mac, select your iPhone from the sidebar. So let's just assume this is the Finder app on the Mac. Then from here, you can drag and drop your videos directly into the desired app. So for example, I just want to go here. Let's say I want to choose this one. So if you can drag and drop, you just want to go ahead and right click copy. Then for example, this is our iPhone. You just wanna paste it, which is right click and then paste. So here you have it. You have now your videos or even photos installed or transferred into your iPhone. So once the transfer is complete, just want to do your usual doings, which is unplug your iPhone from the Mac.